I have nothing to do with Raj Tarun. We have worked together in a film. He's my co-actor. We were like friends, but she started torturing me and my family not to talk to Raj Tarun. So we did not spoke after the film shoot. And recently I started my film promotion. So again she sent abusive messages to my family and my brother, and she has put a false complaint on me and my brother that we threatened her. It's false, it's not true, and we have given all the proofs to the DCP and she'll take it further.
Okay, మీరు ఆడియో లాంచ్ లో ఏదైతే ఒక వీడియో ఆడియో కూడా రిలీజ్ చేయడం అయితే జరిగింది, దాంట్లో మీరు లావణ్యతో మాట్లాడడం జరిగింది, అది నిజమే కదా?
I'll tell you. Yes, she calls me all the time. First time she called me in the month of September. During my last scheduled shoot, she called me first. Be careful.
Yeah, go on.
She called me first time, and after that she abused my parents. So me and Raj Tarun mutually decided like we will not talk to each other, and I want to know from where she got my dad's number. Is she tracking my call list? Is she tracking my phone? Please find out, because if she is doing that, it's a huge crime. I can put a cybercrime case on her. And after that, me and Raj Tarun mutually decided not to talk to each other because she is harassing me and my family. October, November phone. Please find out, because if she is doing that, it's a huge crime. I can put a cybercrime case on her. And after that, me and Raj Tarun mutually decided not to talk to each other because she is harassing me and my family. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, no conversation between me and Raj Tarun. March tarvata our promotion group WhatsApp lo JND and all the promotion started. I had to talk to him because it's a promotion, and from last 15 days she's harassing my family to another core. She's writing all the abusive text about me, my brother and everyone to my dad. My dad didn't even open the messages. I have given, see, she's put the complaint on like me and my brother that we threatened her. It's other way around. She called me. There is not even there is not
Instagram లో కూడా మీ బ్రదర్ లావణ్యతో మాట్లాడడం రిలీజ్ అయింది. ఏదైతే మీ బ్రదర్ చెప్పడం జరిగింది, నిన్ను జైల్లో పంపిస్తాం, I'll stab you to.
Where is that chat? Can you show me?
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
Yeah,
we have chat.
Yeah, please. Where is
Raj Tarun తో మీకు ఎప్పటి నుంచి
No, where is that chat that my brother threatened her?
Instagram I have.
Show.
ఇది చెప్పండి, రాజ్ తరుణ్ కి మీకు ఎక్కడి నుంచి
No, where is that threatening? I want to see that. I will talk about this audio.
Go on, I'll show you in between.
Yeah, so
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తోటి మీకు ఎప్పుడు రిలేషన్ స్టార్ట్?
ఇది ఎవరిది? Who is this? Mayank Malhotra.
Yeah, it's my brother, but where is the threatening? Show me the
There's a
threatening.
threatening all over. These many chats are there.
Show me the threatening. No.
This is what he says. No, I'll send you to jail. He went to the jail for what he did. There's a threatening over here, no?
He went to jail. There is another case.
He also says Himachal. All the threatening.
You read it properly and then.
No, I read.
No. There is no threaten from my brother's side. Please read the chat carefully.
Okay, we have it. Okay, go on.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తోటి మీకు ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది పరిచయం?
We only met through our. There is nothing between me and Raj Tarun. We are co-actors. We are like friends. We only talked about cinema, books, and nothing else.
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ తో కలిసి ఇద్దరు ఒకే ఇంట్లో ఉంటున్నారు అనేది అలిగేషన్.
What?
ప్రొడ్యూసర్ డైరెక్టర్ తోటి కలిసి ఒకే దగ్గర ఉంటున్నారు అని చెప్పి ఆమె అలిగేషన్ మీ పైన.
It's all false allegation.
ఇప్పుడు రాజ్ తరుణ్ లేకపోతే లావణ్య మీరు మీ ముగ్గురు మధ్యలోకి మీ బ్రదర్ ఎందుకు వచ్చాడు? తను ఎందుకు చార్జ్ చేయాల్సి వచ్చింది?
She contacted my brother. My brother never contacted her. And if you're talking about this audio, right? Listen to this audio carefully. I have said that it's your and Raj Tarun problem. Please solve it. And in the second audio, I said that in the same audio towards the end, I said that I haven't spoken to Raj Tarun from last 8 months. But whenever I'm talking for my thing, she's shouting. You listen to this audio carefully and then put blame on me, because I haven't done any. Whenever she called me, I've always spoke politely to her and she abused me.
We are not blaming you.
No.
What might be the reason she's calling you frequently? Because you're not part of anything.
She has a doubt on me that I'm dating Raj Tarun, which is not true.
Okay. There is also 2 photos released. No, what
That is cinema pictures.
చాలా రోజులుగా బెదిరిస్తామంటున్నారు, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు వచ్చి కంప్లైంట్ ఇస్తున్నారు అవి ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత?
What?
చాలా రోజులైతే లావణ్య మీకు కాల్ చేసి మీ పేరెంట్స్ ని కానీ లేకపోతే అబ్యూజ్ గా మాట్లాడడం మీ బ్రదర్ ను
ఎప్పటి నుంచో జరుగుతుంది అంటున్నారు కదా, లావణ్య కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చినాక ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు?
I didn't complain because it's in a first Telugu cinema. I didn't want to create any nuisance. I was very scared. My brother did a complaint in Himachal, but I was very scared because it's my reputation. Now I
9th, May 9th, May 10th, 11th, 12th.
వేర్ ఆర్ యూ
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నారు? ఎందుకంటే కొన్ని స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ కూడా లావణ్య మీడియాకి షేర్ చేసింది. మీరు రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో పాటు కలిసి ఉన్నారు.
Me? Me? Yes. I was shooting in Chennai.
చెన్నై హోటల్లో మీరు చెక్ ఇన్ అయినట్టు ఇక్కడ ఎవిడెన్స్ కనిపిస్తోంది. లైక్ రాజ్ తరుణ్ అండ్ యు ఆర్ 9th June 2 PM to Monday 10th June before 12 PM you all checked out. This is that.
It's all fake. It's all fake.
అంటే ఇది ఎడిటెడ్ పిక్చర్.
I am shooting for my Tamil picture. You can ask my producer.
చెన్నైలోనే ఇది చెక్ ఇన్ అయినట్టు చూపిస్తుంది.
So I'm shooting.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ మెయిల్ తోని.
That's all fake. It's all fake. It's all fake allegations she has
ఏం
done.
కంప్లైంట్ చేశారు?
Huh?
ఏం కంప్లైంట్ ఇచ్చారు?
I complained that she tortured my family, me, and she has put false allegation on me, and it's a complete character assassination, and I will go to court to prove that I am nowhere related to Lavanya. मैं उससे मिली भी नहीं हूँ. I have not even seen her face. Who is she? I have not even seen her in real life. Who is she?
వాట్ ఇఫ్ లావణ్య ఒకవేళ పూర్తిగా తను ఎవిడెన్స్ తో సహా మీడియా ముందుకు వచ్చి మీరు రాజ్ తరుణ్ ని డేట్ చేస్తున్నాను ఆధారాలతో తను మీడియా ముందుకు వస్తే మీరేమంటారు?
Show me the proof, no?
What will you say?
What you will say?
आप क्या
If
बोलते
she is coming with all the evidence to
Then we'll
media,
see, na. But I know there is no evidence.
but you can't say that you're not in relationship.
We are friends. अगर एक्टर बात नहीं करेंगे, we talk to each other. अगर co-actors बात नहीं करते, we talk to each other, right? तो what is wrong in that?
Did police take complaint of yours?
Yeah. Yeah.
Evidence
I have submitted all the evidence. What she threatened my family, and they'll find out the truth. That's all they do.
అయితే మీ ఫాదర్ కి హిమాచల్ ప్రదేశ్ సీఎం నిజంగానే ఫ్రెండ్?
It's all fake.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక సీఎం పేరు అంత ఈజీగా
It's all
మెన్షన్
fake.
చేయరు.
It's all fake to spoil my father's reputation.
లావణ్యను చంపడమే కాకుండా
Who is Lavanya? It's all fake allegation. Prove it.
అంటే మీ father
Prove it. Please prove it. I'll request Lavanya. Please prove that my family has threatened her. We'll take care of it.
ఓకే లావణ్య ఏం అంటే మీ ఫాదర్ కూడా తనతో ఫోన్ లో మాట్లాడి కొంత యాన్యుమని తీసుకొని వెళ్ళిపో రాజుని
Please prove. Please prove. It's all fake. It's all fake. Nothing is true. And you're talking about the CM thing. My father is a businessman. We have no political connections. My mother, she's a government teacher. It's all fake allegations on my family and me.
సో రాజ్ తరుణ్ టార్గెట్ చేయడానికి మల్హోత్రా
She falsely allegated me in Raj Tarun's case. I have nowhere related to Raj Tarun.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది హీరోయిన్స్ మూవీస్ తీసినప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని మాత్రమే కామెంట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు. ఎందుకు మీకు రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది సినిమాలు
ఓకే క్వశ్చన్.
రాజ్ తరుణ్ తో ఎంతో మంది హీరోయిన్స్ నటించినప్పుడు ఒక మల్హోత్రా పేరులో ఎందుకు లావణ్య ఈ రోజు రైజ్ చేసింది?
I'm not understanding what you're saying.
हीरोइंस राज तरुण से एक्टिंग किया ना, आपका ही नाम क्यों आया?
मुझे क्या पता? I don't know what she has against me. I don't know what is her agenda behind
Why
it.
she targeted you?
You ask Lavanya. We'll find out why she's targeting
And
me.
while she was keep on constantly calling you, why didn't you take an action? When someone stranger is calling to you
See,
and abusing you, threatening you, why didn't you take any
I
action or
told Raj
raise a
Tarun.
complaint?
I told Raj Tarun about it. He asked me to block her. I blocked her. Then she called my parents and all of that. We wanted to complain, but my film promotion started and everything. I wanted to do it after my film release, but she did it.